I'm Mark Martin. I'm the owner of Tarponville Fishing Lodge here in Costa Rica. I'm located at the border of Panama and Costa Rica on the Caribbean side. Tarponville is located in the Gandoca Manzanillo Wildlife Refuge, located on a hiking trail. It's a rustic lodge. We're located in the jungle under the canopy. It's a nice, comfortable lodge, nice, comfortable, rustic lodge. It's not your five-star place, but it's definitely a place for anglers, outdoor enthusiasts, and people that want to really chase a true trophy tarpon. Our lodge is located on the coast, not up a river mouth. We've got beautiful reefs out in front. We've got shallow reefs with fish on them. We've got cuts in the reefs and beaches that you can swim and snorkel. It's got a lot to offer besides just fishing. Tarponville Fishing Lodge is an all-inclusive fishing lodge, taking care of accommodations, food, 3 hot meals a day, all your transfers and shuttles once you arrive in San Jose, all your fishing, guiding, and your lodging. Tarponville's been around for about 14 years. It's recently changed ownership. We're working on a lot of operational stuff. We're working on a lot of improvements and additions to the fishery to give people more options than just tarpon. Got him. Got him right over your shoulder. Here he goes again. Come on, baby. Tarpon, big fish, explosive fish, violent fish, tarpon. That's what I'm all about. Tarponville and the Southern Caribbean, a little bit different fishery than the fisheries you're going to fish up north as far as shallower waters, lighter lines, and more of that true style tarpon fishing. The fishery here, especially in the Southern Caribbean of Costa Rica, has a lot more to offer than just strictly tarpon. You know, you've got triggerfish, we've got a permit fishery, we've got bonefish, we've got some blue water stuff to start exploring, you know, and we have the tarpon.